Hey guys, today it's frog time, ribbit, and today we're going to be reading I'm a Frog with Piggie and Gerald. Bam, bam, bam. Ribbit. Ribbit, huh? Ribbit, Piggie. Ribbit. What are you doing, Piggie? I'm a frog. You are a frog? Yes. I did not know that. I was sure you were a pig. You look like a pig, and your name is Piggie. I was a pig. Now I am a frog. Rabbit. You learn something new every day. When did you become a frog? About 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago? She was a pig. Now she is a frog. Ribbit. What if I become a frog? Dun dun dun. Hopping all day. Hop, hop, hop. Eating flies. Gup. Ribbit! I do not want to be a frog. It's okay, Gerald. It is pretend. It is the end? No, Gerald. Pretend. I am pretending. What is pretending? Pretending is something. Pretending is when you act like something you are not. What? And you can just do that? You can just go out and pretend to be something you are not? Sure, everyone pretends. Even grown-up people? All the time. You really do learn something new every day. You want to try it, Gerald? Do you want to pretend to be a frog? Ribbit. I cannot. Yes, you can, Ribbit. No, I can't. Yes, you can. No, I can't. Yes, you can. No, I can't. Yes, you can. No, I can. 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 Yes, you can. No, I can't. Gerald, why can't you pretend to be a frog? Because I am a cow. Moo! Ribbit, 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 moo! And that is the end of our frog and cow fun. Bye guys. Mwah. And they also give you guys a kiss. Mwah, mwah. And we all give you guys a peace out.